Sony just went quiet on a camera lineup for almost a decade, and that silence might finally be about to break. For years, the RX10 line has just sat there aging quietly while every other camera segment got constant updates. But new reports suggest the RX10 Mark V is finally on its way, and the reasons why are honestly pretty fascinating. Today, we're digging into everything currently being said about this rumored successor, separating what actually makes sense from what's just wishful thinking. And trust me, some of these details could genuinely reshape what an all-in-one camera is capable of. To understand why the RX10 Mark V rumor is such a big deal, you have to understand what the RX10 IV actually meant to photographers. A single lens stretching from wide landscapes all the way out to distant wildlife, paired with a sensor fast enough to keep up with almost anything moving. Even years after launch, it's still one of the most trusted cameras for travel, birding, and sports shooters who don't want to carry a bag full of lenses. That reputation is exactly why expectations for its successor have stayed so high for so long. So the real question isn't whether people want the RX10 Mark V, it's what Sony's actually planning to change. According to current rumors, the biggest leap forward in the RX10 Mark V isn't going to come from a brand new lens or a flashy redesign. It's reportedly coming from what's happening inside the camera. Sony's newer AI-powered tracking system is said to be making its way into this model, bringing smarter subject recognition for people, animals, and birds. If that turns out to be accurate, wildlife shooters could see a real jump in how confidently the RX10 Mark V locks onto fast, unpredictable movement. Alongside that, rumors also point to a newer image processor, potentially working with a dedicated AI chip. That kind of upgrade doesn't always show up on a spec sheet, but it tends to show up every single time you pick the camera up, through quicker response, cleaner low-light shots, and a system that just feels more alive. Now, here's where some people might feel a little let down. Current reports suggest the RX10 Mark V sensor isn't getting a dramatic overhaul, with speculation pointing to the same 1-inch stacked sensor, or only a minor revision of it. But that's not necessarily bad news. That sensor already earned its reputation through speed and image quality, so refining it further could make more sense than chasing bigger numbers. Video shooters have more to look forward to though, with rumors hinting at proper 4K 60 frames per second, and some chatter even suggesting 4K 120 in certain modes. If either of those checks out, the RX10 Mark V would finally feel caught up with where content creation actually is in 2026. As for global shutter technology, don't get your hopes up just yet. There's no solid rumor suggesting it's coming to the RX10 Mark V, and realistically, that kind of sensor tends to stay reserved for Sony's higher-end professional bodies. What does seem far more likely is a long overdue switch to USB-C, finally replacing the outdated connection the previous model shipped with. As for pricing, early estimates place the RX10 Mark V somewhere around $1,800 to $2,000, which sounds steep until you remember exactly what this camera is trying to replace: a giant bag of lenses most people never wanted to carry in the first place. If these rumors hold up, the RX10 Mark V isn't a reinvention, it's a smart, focused upgrade to a camera people already loved. So tell me, what matters more here? The AI autofocus, the video upgrade, or something else entirely? Drop it in the comments, hit like if this got you excited, and subscribe so you don't miss the official reveal.